summer, dozens of beaches were closed. You probably remember because of high levels of bacteria in the water, and some of that bacteria came from human waste.
Yeah, we wanted to know, how does it happen and how do we stop it? Well, as WBZ's Laura Haefeli shows us, a Greater Boston starts with protecting what makes Boston beautiful.
During the hottest days of summer, Boston beachgoers were told not to swim.
As a community, we should be able to go on the beach and cool off during this hot summer.
After the Massachusetts Department of Public Health announced high levels of bacteria, including human waste, was found in water, lifeguards planted red flags and warned swimmers conditions were unsafe.
We are currently a red flag
Beach closures are announced only after a lab contracted by the state tests the water. I followed along with one of the lab members responsible for collecting samples.
So you're measuring temperature, salt content, essentially, and then you're compiling this data and sending it to the lab to be analyzed.
Yeah. The state public health commissioner, Dr. Robbie Goldstein, explains Massachusetts monitors the results of more than 1,100 beaches for anything that could make swimmers sick.
Many could have a mild illness, something like nausea or vomiting. Some people can have skin reaction. But what we're most concerned about are those that are really vulnerable, so the elderly, children.
But how does human waste make it into our swimming water? Let's go all the way back to the start of summer to explain. In July alone, Boston recorded 10.5 inches of rain, what the city would typically see over an entire summer.
What we're seeing this summer is more frequent rainfall as a result of climate change.
Boston University doctoral candidate Beth Haley warns the problem with more rain is that the systems responsible for draining all of it were built back in the mid-1800s and can't handle the current climate conditions.
On days with a lot of precipitation, the system gets overwhelmed.
There are two systems moving dirty water through Boston. The first is storm drains. But as Boston has grown from a small port city to a larger industrial city, there's less green space and soil for floodwater to sink into, which means when those drains overflow, the water stays on the street's surface, running directly into our rivers and oceans, carrying waste along with it. The second route for wastewater is Boston's combined sewer system, one of the only systems of its kind left in the country. The system combines stormwater, industrial, and residential waste into one singular pipe. Then it all funnels towards the Deer Island treatment plant. Our WBZ crew paid a visit to the plant's water experts to learn more. Massachusetts Water Resources Authority tells WBZ 360 million gallons of raw sewage is treated here every single day.
That sewage eventually makes it here to be treated, cleaned, and sent back out into our waterways. But not all of the sewage makes it this far. During extreme rain events, the combined system overflows, sending the excess sewage to relief points where 90% of it is still treated before it reaches our open water. But the other 10% remains raw sewage.
During times of heavy rain, where the system becomes surcharged, it will go into the rivers and the inner harbor as well.
MWRA Director Betsy Riley tells WBZ the combined sewer system doesn't do as much damage as the storm drains, but it does play a role in the perfect storm.
The intensity of what we're seeing under this new climate change with just heavy downpours, you can't build a sewer system that will take that kind of massive downburst.
MWRA Executive Director Fred Lasky and the Deer Island team is tasked with keeping Boston water safe, but they're asking for our help.
Don't litter, can clog our system up. We don't need that in a storm.
That was Laura Haefeli reporting.
A lot of information there, yeah.
All right.